Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 75% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 75% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, $1,357, into your calculator, press the multiply button and multiply by 25. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 25? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 75% discount means you are paying 75% less than the original price. So if you take 75% away from 100%, you are left with 25%. In other words, paying 25% off the original price means you are saving 75%. So by multiplying the original price by 25, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 25% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after 75% off is $339.25. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item priced at $2,450 this time. Let's enter it into our calculator, $2,450. Press the multiply button, multiply by 25, and press that percentage button. So after a 75% off, the final price comes out to be $612.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 75% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.